Rock in a hard place. Idiomatic mastery for advanced English. Hello, advanced English learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions used in academic and professional settings. Our focus? The very commonly used idiom, between a rock and a hard place. This phrase is often used in decision-making and problem-solving contexts. So let's explore its origins, meanings, and practical uses. The expression, between a rock and a hard place, originated in the United States in the early 20th century. It was first used in the context of mining operations, where miners often found themselves in difficult and dangerous situations. Today, this phrase has made its way into everyday English language, especially in academic and professional contexts. When someone says they are between a rock and a hard place, they mean they are caught in a situation where they have to make a choice between two equally unpleasant or difficult options. This idiom is usually used to express a dilemma or a tough decision that must be made. Here are a few examples of how to use this idiom in sentences. 1. The management was between a rock and a hard place. Either increase salaries and risk bankruptcy, or deal with a disgruntled workforce. 2. As a small business owner during an economic downturn, I often find myself between a rock and a hard place, having to decide whether to cut costs or invest more in marketing. 3. In climate negotiations, countries are frequently between a rock and a hard place, having to choose between economic growth and environmental sustainability. These examples should give you an idea of how to use this idiom in real-life professional or academic situations. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try to create your own sentences using the idiom, between a rock and a hard place. Remember, practice makes perfect. Write down your sentences, say them out loud, and share them with others if possible. That's all for today's exploration of the idiom, between a rock and a hard place. We hope this lesson has been enlightening and helpful. Remember, mastering idiomatic expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a deeper understanding of English culture and its nuances. Keep practicing and we'll see you in our next video.